You're not broke because of one big purchase. You're broke because of that $4 coffee every day, because of that $12 takeaway lunch 3 times a week, because of the subscription you forgot you're paying for. It's not the big stuff that breaks your bank, it's the little stuff you ignore every day. That, my friend, is the high cost of convenience. And today, we're going to expose how it's quietly destroying your finances. Let's break it down. 1. Convenience is the new currency. Modern life is built around ease and speed. We pay for food delivery instead of cooking. We use ride-sharing apps instead of public transport. We tap instead of plan. Convenience saves time, but it rarely saves money. In fact, it often costs a fortune over time. Let's do some quick math. Say you spend $5 every morning on coffee. That's $25 a week, $100 a month. In a year, that's $1,200. And that's just one habit. Imagine what happens when you add $10 takeout lunches 3 times a week equals $1,560 per year. Food delivery twice a week equals $1,600 per year. Ride sharing instead of the bus equals $1,800 per year. That's over $6,000 gone for convenience. 2. The daily drain. You don't see these expenses feel harmless because they're small and spread out, but that's the trap. It's like a slow leak in your wallet. You never feel it happening until it's dry. This is called lifestyle creep. You start making a bit more money, so you start spending a bit more too. Not on luxuries, just comfort. You're not buying designer clothes. You're just Ubering everywhere. You're not throwing big parties. You're just eating out instead of cooking. You're not splurging, but you're leaking, bit by bit, day by day, until you wonder where your money's gone. 3. Convenience is a choice, not a necessity. Here's the truth. Most of the conveniences we pay for are optional. You don't need to pay for lunch every day. You don't need to use Uber every week. You choose to. And that's the dangerous part. Because choice turns into habit, and habit turns into expense. Then one day you can't even imagine cooking dinner because you're so used to the quick fix. But here's what frugal people do. They find smart, easy alternatives. Brew coffee at home, save $1,000 plus a year. Meal prep lunch, save $30 a week. Minimum walk, cycle, or take the bus. Convenience becomes intentional, not automatic. The power of awareness. If you tracked your daily spending for 7 days, you'd be shocked where your money goes. That $3 snack, that $7 fast food run, that $15 streaming service you never used, all of it adds up. You can't change what you don't track, so start writing it down. Every coffee, every delivery, every tap. Awareness turns into power, and power turns into choice. Once you see your money leaking, you can start plugging the holes. 5. Small changes, massive wins. You don't have to give up everything. This isn't about suffering, it's about saving smarter. Try cutting one convenience per week, just one. Replace one delivery meal with a home-cooked one. Make coffee at home twice a week. Cancel one unused subscription. That's already saving you hundreds per year. And guess what? You won't even feel deprived. You'll feel empowered because you're in control. What next? So now it's your turn. This week, track every dollar you spend and ask yourself, did I pay for ease or did I pay for value? The difference matters more than you think. Convenience feels good today, but it could cost you years of freedom tomorrow. If you found value in this video, smash that like button and subscribe for more. And share this with someone who always says, it's just a little expense. Because little leaks sink big ships. Let's start plugging them together.